Hey there, future metaverse millionaires. Imagine waking up to an extra $10,000 in your bank account every single month, all from creating mind-blowing AI-powered virtual worlds. No, this isn't science fiction. It's the reality of the booming metaverse economy. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to cash in on this digital gold rush. The best part, you don't need a single line of code or a fancy tech degree to get started. Welcome to AI Cashflow Lab, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge side hustles and AI money hacks that actually work. I'm your host, and I'm on a mission to help you turn the digital revolution into cold, hard cash. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of AI-powered metaverse creation and show you how to build a passive income empire that keeps growing while you sleep. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about the metaverse? Well, let me hit you with some mind-blowing facts. The metaverse economy is absolutely exploding right now. We're talking billions of dollars being poured into virtual real estate, digital art galleries, immersive events, and next-level gaming experiences. And here's the kicker, artificial intelligence is making it possible for anyone, and I mean anyone, to jump in and start creating these incredible virtual worlds. No tech background, no problem. But here's where it gets really exciting. The metaverse isn't just a playground for tech geeks, it's a goldmine of passive income opportunities. We're talking multiple revenue streams that keep flowing 24/7, whether you're working, sleeping, or sipping margaritas on a beach somewhere. And I'm going to show you exactly how to tap into this digital fountain of wealth. Let's kick things off with step 1, identifying your perfect metaverse niche. The key to success in this space is finding that sweet spot where demand meets your passion. Are you into real estate? Imagine creating and selling virtual properties that people actually live and work in. Love art? Picture curating NFT galleries that collectors from around the world flock to. Or maybe you're all about education. How about building immersive learning hubs that revolutionize online teaching? Take a good look at what's trending in the metaverse right now. Virtual concerts drawing millions of attendees, digital fashion shows where avatars strut the latest designs, even virtual tourism experiences that let people explore far-off lands from their living rooms. The possibilities are endless, but the trick is to choose a niche that not only excites you, but also has serious profit potential. Now, let's move on to the real game changer. Step 2, harnessing the power of AI tools to bring your virtual visions to life. Gone are the days when you needed a team of programmers and 3D artists to create a basic VR environment. Today, we have incredible AI-powered platforms that let you build stunning metaverse worlds with drag-and-drop simplicity. Let me give you a quick live demo. Watch this. In just a few minutes, I'm going to whip up a basic virtual art gallery using one of my favorite AI world-building tools. See how easy it is to place walls, hang artwork, and even add interactive elements. And the best part is, you can customize every aspect to make your creation truly unique. Add your own branding, experiment with different layouts, and throw in some unexpected interactive surprises to keep visitors coming back for more. Alright, now that you've got your virtual masterpiece, it's time for the fun part. Step 3, turning your creation into cold, hard cash. There are so many ways to monetize your metaverse content. It's almost ridiculous. Let's break down some of the hottest strategies. First up, you can rent or sell your virtual worlds to businesses and other creators. Imagine a company paying you a monthly fee to use your space for their virtual office or product launches. Or how about selling limited edition virtual properties to collectors who want to own a piece of digital history? Next, think about launching paid events or workshops inside your VR environment. Host exclusive concerts, teach immersive art classes, or run virtual fitness boot camps. The sky's the limit. Don't forget about the booming market for virtual goods and NFTs. Create and sell unique digital assets that people can use to customize their avatars or decorate their virtual spaces. With the right marketing, a single virtual item could become the next must-have accessory in the metaverse. For those of you who love working with clients, consider offering done-for-you services. Help businesses create custom VR experiences for their brand or design virtual showrooms for product launches. This is a great way to build your portfolio and make some serious cash while you're at it. And here's where it gets really exciting. Use AI to create passive income loops that keep generating revenue on autopilot. Set up recurring membership models, use AI chatbots to handle sales and customer service, and implement smart contracts for seamless transactions. Before you know it, you'll have multiple income streams working for you 24/7. Now, let's talk about scaling your digital empire with step 4. Building a successful metaverse business isn't just about creating cool virtual worlds. You need to get the word out and grow your brand. Start by setting up a killer portfolio showcasing your best work. And don't forget to optimize your social profiles to attract potential clients and collaborators. Here's a pro tip. Leverage AI for your marketing efforts. Use AI-powered tools to automate your social media posts, generate viral content ideas, and even optimize your SEO to make sure your creations are getting seen by the right people. Collaboration is key in the metaverse economy. Team up with influencers, partner with other creators, and cross-promote each other's work to exponentially grow your reach. And always keep an eye on your analytics. Use data-driven insights to figure out what's resonating with your audience and double down on your most successful strategies. Now, for those of you ready to take things to the next level, I've got some advanced pro tips that will really set you apart from the competition. First, stay ahead of the curve by constantly researching upcoming metaverse trends and experimenting with beta features. Be the first to offer cutting-edge experiences, and you'll quickly become known as an innovator in the space. To maximize your time and energy, consider outsourcing routine tasks to AI-powered virtual assistants. This frees you up to focus on the big picture stuff that really moves the needle for your business. Keep reinventing your offerings to stay fresh and exciting. Bundle your VR content in new ways. Create premium experiences for your most loyal fans and build a thriving digital community around your brand. And always be thinking about how to future-proof your income, diversify across multiple platforms, and be ready to adapt as new technologies emerge. Alright, metaverse moguls in the making. It's time for some community engagement. Drop your favorite metaverse creation tool or your biggest question in the comments below. Let's help each other level up and dominate this exciting new frontier. If you're pumped about financial freedom and ready to dive into the world of AI-powered side hustles, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss our weekly deep dives into the latest and greatest money-making opportunities in the digital realm. And hey, I've got a special gift for all you action takers out there. Click the link in the description to grab your free Metaverse Creator Cheat Sheet. It's packed with insider tips, tool recommendations, and secret strategies to fast-track your success. Remember, the future isn't something you just sit back and watch. It's something you build, own, and profit from. So what are you waiting for? Your journey to $10,000 a month in passive Metaverse income starts right here, right now, with AI Cashflow Lab. Let's make some digital magic and some serious money together.